Having a clean and organized desk is important for productivity and focus. To start, remove everything from your desk and create a clear space. Dispose of any trash and recycle all recyclable items. Wipe down all surfaces, including your computer screen, and clean difficult-to-reach areas with compressed air or a cleaning solution. Consider using shelves above or next to your desk for additional storage. Label drawers and shelves to stay organized, but be specific so they don't become cluttered. Keep important items accessible and within reach, and place a trash can nearby to prevent clutter. Sort through the pile of items you removed from your desk, removing junk and separating important objects. Store items that you're unsure about in a separate container and revisit them after a designated period of time to decide whether to keep or discard them. Replace the objects you need on your desk one at a time using your organizational system or labels. Limit visual distractions at your desk and keep books off your desk if possible. To keep your space organized, clean your desk regularly by tidying up at the end of each day and dedicating a specific day each week or month for thorough cleaning.